In today's video, guys, we're going to look at exactly what Finviz.com is all about and how you can use it to your own advantage. And I think many people ask me this question, especially most of my subscribers. They ask me, hey Joe, what is Finviz.com? What is it all about and how can anyone use it to his or her own advantage? And, I always told them that I'll come up with a video so they can easily watch and, learn how to use it. I've known Finviz for the past 8 years now, and honestly, I know how to use Finviz. And in this video, I'll show you just that. Now, all I want you to do for me is to stick around and make sure you watch the video to the end. Because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the information in this video. Can a beginner trader use Finviz to his or her own advantage? Yes, and that I will show you in this video. Now, without wasting any of your time, I think it's time for me to dive into my desktop where I will be sharing with you exactly how you can use Finviz.com to your own advantage and make a whole bunch of money trading the financial market. But that is not also an escape loop for you not to lose money, because even if you use Finviz.com, market has a way of doing a thing since it's 100% random, okay? You cannot toil around with the markets. The market will always use your head and turn you around, okay? So that we can easily use it and predict the market like 80% of the time. Let's go and see. I've come here again to see we're on Finviz.com, and Finviz.com is an official website where you're going to see lots of free information, Forex, stock, indices, crypto information that you can easily use it to your own advantage. And those information are 100% free. You don't have to pay for it, and anyone can use it. Even if you're starting today as a complete beginner, you have the chance to use the Finviz information 100% free without paying a dime. If I come here again to see, this is how the page look like. It's populated with a lot of information, but I'll tell you exactly what you need on this side. First thing first, I want you to come here and click on this button here and register your account. But in my own case, I already have an account, so I'll click on login. Now, to register is super simple and 100% beginner friendly. You can do that at any given time. And now for me, I'll just go ahead and click on login. Now, by clicking on login simply means I already have an account. I just want to log into my account, and then I'll show you how it works. If you come here again to see, Finviz provide me with username and password for me to log in. So I'll go ahead and click on login, and voila, I am inside my account. The first thing I needed to do here is to come to this tab here, very, very important, called Forex, because I'm using it mostly for Forex and crypto. And sometimes I use it for other stock screeners and the rest of it. So I'll click on Forex. Once I click on Forex, I'll just allow it to load fully and come back. Once it loads, I will show you exactly what you need to do. Now, many people use Finviz.com the wrong way, but I'll show you exactly how to use it. Now, you can easily use Finviz like heatmap. Honestly, if you're a Forex trader, you know exactly which currency pair, which currency is trending, which currency is rising, and which currency is falling. And that I'll show you in this video. Because if you combine a rising currency and a falling currency, that's the only situation where you're going to make. So let me show you into this video how to use Finviz like a heatmap, so you can, outsmart the markets and make some money. Now, if you come here again to see this quote dashboard here, now we have the quote dashboard contain Euro USD, GBP USD, and so on down to BTC USD. And you're going to see each of them. The charts, if I click each of this currency pair, I'm going to have a chart. But there's something here I wanted to show you, right? It's called 1 day relative performance in USD. Now, the 1 day relative performance in USD will show you the strength of each currency. It kind of makes sense, right? It does. Now, from USD to the NZD, it seems as if they're all falling. Now, you can see the NZD is falling up to minus 0.23%. That simply means if you combine it with any stronger currency, the asset is going to grow. Yeah, you're going to make some money, right? That is it. So the idea, you can see they're changing in real life. They're all changing in real life. See that? Now, if I combine a weaker currency with a stronger currency, I'm going to make some profit. The idea is if one currency is buying, the other will be selling. And if you are doing that, you are making money that moment. Okay. You're buying the stronger currency and selling the weaker currency. You just be making money like that. This is what Forex is all about. And Finviz.com give us that opportunity in a platter of gold, because if I have a heat map that I can easily see which currency is buying and which currency is selling, I'll go ahead and buy that particular currency pair or sell depending on what is happening on the market. Now, if you look at Finviz here, you're going to see that from this dashboard below, I didn't see any rising currency. I'm just seeing all the currency are just selling, because this is not currency pair, but they're individual standalone currency, right? From NZD, from USD to NZD, they're all standalone currency and all of them are falling. So if Finviz populates a currency pair that is rising, let's say the bar is green and above this level, this is when I'll go ahead and look at the weaker currency and the growing currency, combine the both, form a currency pair, and then use it to trade the financial market without no hesitation. So this is exactly how you can use Finviz. One more thing again, if you go here to screener. Now the screener part of it, oops, sorry, my Starlink disconnected, sorry. All right, if you go to the stock screener here, something really happened here. You're going to see all the stock screeners here and you're going to make your choice and see which one is like trending. And look, you're going to see the country, you're going to see the market cap in billions of dollars, millions of dollars, and you're going to understand exactly which one is growing. Now, you also have like to input some data here. You can input data just the way you want. I'm not kind of a stock team. That's why I don't have much idea about the stock screener, but I think it's important for me to kind of share this with you. You can change the exchange, market cap, ending dates, price, and then it's going to populate new information for you. And once it populates this information for you, it's just the information you give to it. The data you provided is going to provide the information for you. And after that, you can use it to your own advantage and trade the financial market without any stress. This is exactly what I want about what I truly like about Finviz.com. It has a lot of information for beginners and professionals. They can use it at any given time to make consistent amount of money. Honestly, this is beautiful. Now, if you come back here to group, there are a lot of things, guys. You can go to crypto if you want, and then the crypto part of it will show you another wall of crypto entirely. You have all the information and data at your fingertips. Look, there's one thing again I want you to keep in mind, like the Forex part of it, the heat map. I've been using the heat map to trade the financial markets and make good amount of money in the past. When I started my journey as a Forex trader about 15 years ago, it's never easy. And Finviz.com gave me that idea when I discovered it, because I discovered it about 8 years ago. About 9 years ago, I discovered Finviz, and it's been very, very helpful for me to discover what currency is rising, which one is falling, and then I'll combine, and then I can trade the financial markets and make some profit. This tab here is called the crypto, and then you're going to see nearly all the crypto are rising. See that? This is another 1-day relative performance. You're going to see all of them here, from NEAR to SOL to XLM to AVAX. All of them are, even Dodge. And then look at BNB is falling. So you can, combine. If there's a way you combine SOL BNB, you can just do it and either you buy or sell depending which one is the base and which one is the quote crypto. Honestly, I don't know what to say, but this is how simple. Now, with this, you can trade crypto and make consistent amount of money. I've been doing that, combining which crypto is rising and which one is falling. You combine the both and either you sell or buy depending on which one is the base and which one is the quote in the combination of the pair. With the look of things, this will truly bring me to the end of the video, and I hope you really find value in this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. Please, it's very, very important for you to share this video. You know why? Because many people are asking how and when can someone, a trader, either beginner or professional, use Finviz to make an informed decision. Finviz is an information site, both for professionals and beginners. And I think you watching this video, if you like this video, simply means you can share this video with family and friends for other people to easily discover this video, and then they can also learn how to use Finviz.com. Remember, this will not be my last video. I will be coming up with other videos on how I use Finviz to execute trade without any stress. If you'd like me to create such a video, let me know in the comment section below, and I will go ahead and create this video and post it right on this channel. Thank you so much for your time. Hopefully, I'll see you guys once again in the next video. But until then, I would like to say bye.